The price of PEPE has been looking really good lately. We can see that the price has gone up in a great way. To top it all off, I want to talk about PEPE's Coinbase question in this very special movie. This is a big one. I believe that getting that entry will have a big effect on the price. And I'd like to talk to you about how it might be possible for it to happen. What difference would that make as a double catalyst? Plus a lot more. For those of you who like the PEPE updates and crypto talk, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get more videos like these. Guys, let's get this one started right away. Right now, PEPE looks really strong. But what's even more impressive is that the amount of trades that have happened in this cryptocurrency in the last few days or weeks has been even higher than its market cap and price cap growth. In other words, remember crypto. This is true for all cryptocurrencies you look at, but it's especially important for low-cap cryptocurrencies. Volume is key in cryptocurrencies. That's why volume really shows how many times a coin is bought and sold. In other words, interest shows what people are thinking, and it's a great way to judge how healthy a coin is. Keep an eye out for signs of growth if you want to see a crypto that is dead. If the volume stays at zero for a few days, it means that no one is paying attention, interested, or buying it. I would say this is a very bad sign for that cryptocurrency, unless something amazing is going to happen. That's why volume is always very important. It's also very hard to get in crypto. To sum up, you need a crazy amount of attention to get volume. And it's really hard to get people to look at a crypto. But having said that, take a look at this chart to see how much PEPE is traded. So the total value of trades has now surpassed $8.2 billion, which is a new record high. That's almost $9 billion, but $8 billion is a lot. That's a lot. It's possible to see what's interesting about PEPE. When you come down here, you can check out Binance, Bitget, Gadio, Whitebit, and other cryptocurrency platforms. It's interesting that Coinbase isn't on that list yet. First, let's talk about whether Coinbase will list it before we talk about how it would double the price. Please find below the link to my secret group if you're interested in trading futures such as PEPE Bitcoin with leverage. If you already do this, I encourage you to join. I'm making a new area where you can get both exchange bonuses. But if you join ByteFi or Blofin, you can get extras when you do. Plus, I'm going to hold contests every month. You have to do $5,000 in numbers if you want to get in on some of that action. You can join the group for free. Just click on one of the links, either ByteFi or Blofin. At some point, we'll also add more cryptocurrency markets, but for now, that's the way to get in. You can also join a secret Telegram group I'm creating that will give you extra benefits. Okay, here are some gifts from me. Also, if you're interested, you might get some shoutouts on X and YouTube. In the distance, I'm building that up. If you're interested, go check it out. There is a link in the video summary. Having said that, guys, let's take a look at this. There's a question that might come up for our Coinbase right now. I have to say that Coinbase's decision not to list PEPE is one of the weirdest things I've ever seen a company do. Because of this number, it makes a lot of sense to list PEPE and make money from this. So something must be wrong, which is why I honestly believe that if I were a Coinbase shareholder, which I'm not, I wouldn't put any money into Coinbase. If I were, though, I'd be asking the CEO why this isn't on the list. It makes perfect sense. If you go to Coinbase and look at the list of the best cryptocurrencies, they'll have a lot of them right here. I believe that other joke coins such as Bonk have also been added to Coinbase. But even if you do compare Bonk to PEPE, the difference is only $2.6 billion vs. $8 billion. That means you could make 4 times as much money on PEPE than on Bonk. And what's happened with Coinbase is just very strange. Overall, I believe that Coinbase will eventually list PEPE. However, if Coinbase is a public company, it may be the owners who have to bring this up with the company, since they could be making a lot of money off of PEPE. At this point, it will just be remembered as a very strange choice. But I do believe that if people make more people aware on X, it could be something Coinbase might be able to do in the future. To put it another way, what do these crypto companies need to do in the end? The bottom line is that they need to serve people and do so in the best way possible. It's also possible to run a business and think things like, I'm too good for PEPE, or we don't list PEPE for whatever reason. This way of thinking is not really giving people what they want. I believe that many crypto companies that do well know that they need to give customers what they want. I believe there is a large need. As you can see, it shows up in the PEPE book, which is a very strange thing. Right now, I believe you can buy PEPE on Kraken and some other crypto platforms with US$ on ramps. If you're also interested, you can buy it on ByteFi and Blofin. But I do believe that listing PEPE is the best and smartest thing they could do. What would happen to the price anyway? So I think the price could go through two possible outcomes. In this case, when a crypto exchange is listed, they may need to send the token to the exchange to help with trading. But if Coinbase and the crypto exchange can't come to an agreement, Coinbase might have to buy PEPE on the market. This is because PEPE is a very good crypto. So Coinbase does decide to buy PEPE if that were to happen. They will need to have enough tokens on the market so that withdrawals can happen. So when a crypto exchange doesn't let you remove the token, it's always a bad sign. So Coinbase might have to enter the market and buy PEPE, which would make the price go through the roof if they're going to be like a giveaway. So if they bought like $1 billion worth of PEPE at once, the price would go up for sure. That could be a very, very strong sign. The second thing that makes me think that Coinbase's price will go up is that people are usually happy doing the things they're already doing. I know that a lot of people use Coinbase. That's why people like Coinbase. Their favorite crypto market is not to be used. I do believe that if you want to make the most money in crypto, you should learn things like how to trade on DEX, how to get into crypto early, and how to use on-chain. There you go. That will help you on your crypto journey. But having more than one exchange is also a good idea in crypto, because once more, some cryptocurrencies will list straight on more than one exchange. Having more than one crypto market isn't a bad thing. There are, however, some people who only want to trade on Coinbase and are patiently waiting for PEPE to be added. And if PEPE does get traded, they will hold the cryptocurrency for a long time. That's for sure something that could make the price of PEPE go up, which would be very bullish. You would have two things I would think about putting PEPE on the market if both of those things happened. Then I think PEPE could be one of the most traded cryptocurrencies on the market. It's kind of there already, but it could be huge volume. You look at Doge and you see that he has huge volume. That's $46 billion, which is crazy. Ethereum has 57 billion gigabytes of space. You also got Bitcoin with giga amount. So PEPE has been doing really well lately with 1 billion to 8 billion in volume, but we could see giga volume. That's about 15 billion, 20 billion, or 25 billion. Also, I'm sure that would be enough to send PEPE's all-time high plus a lot more. I think that listing on Coinbase would be very big, and it would make PEPE even more of a threat to Doge. So PEPE would be going up against Doge for the crown. I believe PEPE will lead SHIB. That will be interesting to see how it goes, but I believe PEPE vs. Doge would be the ultimate fight for the meme coin. That's how I would feel about a Coinbase listing in the long run. That's what I think will happen, but shareholders and other people need to put pressure on the CEO to get it listed. It's strange that they haven't already. Guys, we'll see what happens, but things are really exciting right now. Again, if you trade any kind of crypto, like Bitcoin or PEPE futures, make sure you click on the link to the training group in the video's description. That's where you can join to get bonuses on crypto platforms and enter monthly contests. But guys, thanks a lot for watching this movie. I hope PEPE goes to the moon. See you in the next one. Crypto Zeus is leaving.